Hello everyone, welcome to the day 5 of English speaking challenge. If you are really serious about your English speaking, you have to practice each and every single day, and you have to try to speak in English every day. When you try to speak in English, your English speaking skill will be improved. When you communicate with others in English, whatever mistake you do while communication, you don't worry about that, because when we learn new language, mistake will really happen, because it is a nature of language learning. This is a reality of language learning. Whatever language you learn, first you do mistake while speaking, and after that you correct those mistakes whatever you did, and after that when you try to improve yourself, and after some time you will speak in English fluently. So you do three things basically. First you have to practice, second you have to try to speak, and third you have to listen more English. So in this spoken English practice challenge day 5, I will give you a task which is whatever your experience about traveling, what place you visit, you will amazed by while visiting this place. So you share your experience, share your journey, whatever you go to travel, you went to travel such beautiful places, you explain your way. So let's start with my experience. I will explain you whatever journey I travel, whatever beautiful place I travel, I share one of those journey. So let's start this story of my experience. So when I was studying at 12th standard, in this time, which coaching class I attend, from those coaching class I traveled to Diamond Harbor Lake, and while traveling I traveled by water launch, that called launch. In this launch, while I was traveling, in that time there are some kinds of beautiful birds roaming around the launch. So in this time the birds named seagull bird. This is a beautiful bird, and while the launch was going on the river of Diamond Harbor, in that time the seagull birds were roaming over the sea, over the launch, and which person give through the foods on the water of the Diamond Harbor Lake, the seagull bird pick by his toe and he consume it and have it. So this is the beautiful thing in my traveling journey while I traveling Diamond Harbor Lake. So this is a really beautiful journey of my life while I traveling. I used to go every year. I like to go, not used to go. Here I am saying wrong English, but I correct myself. Like that you will also correct yourself. I like to go every year in the Diamond River. I like to meet those seagull birds, and I like to give foods to those seagull birds, and I enjoy this moment. So this is a journey I will share with you, and you will, whatever your beautiful journey in while traveling a beautiful place, you also have to try to explain, and you can also do this. You will share these videos, your explaining videos you record by your camera, and you will share me. I will upload this channel, and some other English speaking learners, they also inspired by your speaking ability. So you want to do this, you want to give me video, I will post this channel. So I will share my email ID in the description box, so you can give me the videos through email. So that is for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. So see you in the day 6 of English speaking challenge. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep trying to speak in English, because you want to improve your spoken English skill. You must have speak in English. You must try to speak in English. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep trying to speak in English. See you in the next video.